Let's begin by talking about Excel layout. I'm using hospital charges for inpatient dataset which I downloaded from Kaggle. I'm going to share the link in the description, and you can also download this CSV file from the given link so that you can also download this file. Coming back to Excel, the first and foremost feature of Excel is the ribbon, which contains multiple tabs, which is shown at the topmost bar. Ribbon contains multiple tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View and Automate. All these tabs contains multiple functions which perform different operations. Each tab also contains multiple functionalities, like Home tab provides basic editing functionalities of Excel such as changing the font color or filling the cell with the color. In order to understand which tool does what, you can simply hover over that tool and you'll see a small tooltip describing that tool, in this case font color. Also, you can see that all the tools are presented in a different way. The idea is to provide a simple and intuitive UI to the users to make the most of it with ease. So with these functionalities, we can perform different operations, like if I want to align this in the center, then I can use this alignment tool where I can align this to the middle, to the right or to the left. Similarly, if the text is not visible in a single cell, then I can simply wrap this text in order to make the whole text visible. Each of these tools has some functionalities associated with them, which we are going to discover in our upcoming sessions. But sometimes we are not interested in editing the text. Instead, we want to, let's say, draw some graph. Then we can use this Insert tab and can draw different types of charts. For example, I want to plot a pie chart for these values, then I can directly select this pie chart. Whatever kind of pie chart I want to draw, I'll simply select the appropriate one, and it is going to display me the pie chart based on these values. Now suppose instead of this pie chart, I want to draw a bar graph, then I can go to the bar graph and I can plot the relevant bar graph. Another very important and powerful feature provided by Excel is formulas. During data analysis, we have to perform frequent operations on the data, and the formula tabs comes really handy. For example, if I want to use date and time formulas, I can directly go to this date and time tab, and here you can see the formulas present for day, hour, date and so on. Similarly, if we want to perform mathematical operations, we can go to this Maths tab and can use the relevant formula. We are going to talk about all of these in detail in our upcoming sessions, like the Data tab. Suppose we want to process our data differently, or we want to view page in a different page layout. All these operations which are required during data analysis, we are going to view in our upcoming sessions. Meanwhile, I would request you to download this CSV or any data sheet and start practicing. Thank you.